Hello friends, my name is MS Akhtar. In the last video of regarding the artificial intelligence, I have alerted you all the HSE professionals that how it is going to be implemented in the construction industry and how and what are all these things you have to do to ensure that it is your partner and how it can facilitate your working because it is already implemented in many places and it is going to be slowly it is going to be implemented in many of the construction sites. So you should be start learning things and getting yourself aware of how it is going to work. In this video I am going to discuss about the what are all the AI tools which is going to be used so that you can start making yourself comfortable with those tools. And the second video is about the software. I will going to prepare. Then the next I will start giving you all the required information as HSE professionals. My name is MS Akhtar and I have worked for almost 35 years in the Middle East, and now I have retired and started sharing my knowledge and experiences. So this video is all about the AI tools used in construction HSE and how they work. That is what you are going to learn from this video. So AI is going to revolutionize workplace safety through intelligent technology and real-time monitoring system. Real-time monitoring system. Because earlier, what used to happen, it is all the observation and everything we used to do it manually, and it sometime most of the time it is only we are going to figure it out maximum 20-40%, not never been 100%. So why it is nowadays it is required AI to be implemented on the construction safety? Because there are high stakes of construction safety. Lot of fatalities. It is just an US data that 1 in 5 workplace death occur in construction only. You can just understand. And 1015 construction fatalities, 40% caused by falls, sleeps, and trips. You are seeing this? Economic impact of all these incident and accidents and time losses and the material losses, it is all together it is contributing 3% of the total project cost. It is a huge amount which can be avoided very easily because nowadays maximum 10 to 15% is the margin value. If 3% is lost, then you can just imagine how it is a tremendous loss. So safety is a matter of life and death. Every construction worker deserves to return home safely to their family each day. This is what is the policy of many of the multinational organizations. Why AI in construction agency? It is because the traditional limitations, as I have explained earlier, that manual reactive monitoring limited by human capacity and response time. Because whatever we are sending safety officers, safety inspectors, or the safety engineers are site, or the go around with the management walkthrough and all these things we are doing. Everything we are doing mainly manually, and it takes time, and it is lot of things are going to be missed. So AI advantage is real time hazard detection. Immediately it will detect what are if any lifting going on which is not as per their standard and it is hazardous, is the hazardous practices are there, slings are damaged and some people are not wearing PPE, say scaffolds are not as per the standard, and a scaffolding is having some defect, they are modifying after certification, a lot of things are there. So that it immediately it will be get captured by the artificial intelligence, and it will raise the alarm to the HSE specialist or the HSE manager, and he can immediately take action to the management, to the project manager, project director, so they can take immediate action and they can avoid the incident. So ultimate goal is reduce accident, improve compliance, save lives through intelligent intervention. Okay, you got it? So AI technology is revolutionizing construction safety. That you and as HSE profession you have to adapt to this. Otherwise you will be left behind. So computer vision and real time monitoring, how it works actually. So I am here only. I am in this video. I am only going to discuss about the different tools. So there are CCTV camera. They will fix, and it is capturing video and giving it to the software, and it is analyzing within fraction of second, and it will raise an alarm. AI powered camera and drones scan site continuously for site safety hazards. Okay. So a smart detection platform like EarthCam use AI to detect unsafe behavior and equipment misuse remotely. So nobody, it is not that if safety officer has gone somewhere, people will start doing something else. Their continuous monitoring is there. And keeping everywhere safety officers is very costly also. So proactive intervention enables supervisors to intervene before incident occurs, preventing accidents. Smart wearables, the future of worker health. A smart cap technology monitors brain activity to detect fatigue and drowsiness in real time, alerting workers before dangerous situation develops. Because some people are some sick is there, some abnormal. It is not a normal thing. People will getting fatigue, and then they are working at height, or they are doing some welding, or they are doing some electrical work or anything. They are doing some excavation. The operator is got tired and he is just fallen. So before the camera will detect immediately. Environmental monitoring, also other wearables track environmental hazard like heat stress, toxic gases, and noise levels. Now that environmental monitoring we are doing through the some instruments, but that is also been supported by the AI camera. So AI driven incident reporting and analysis. You are seeing how much it is going to reduce your efforts as HSE professionals. I have explained you don't have to worry. HSE professionals are not going to be replaced, but it will AI will only facilitate their work. Effectiveness will increase. So automated reporting, natural language processing, automates incident report written, writing and summarizing, because they will capture, they will do the all the reporting and all the analysis they will do, and they will give present it. This is what is going on. That we will discuss somewhere sometime else, that how the data analysis gives you the insight of what is going on and where you have to take action. Okay, you got it? Because hundreds of reports are coming. For example, manually earlier. So manual gain and unsafe acts and behavior we are just analyzing. We are in the graphs, and it is a tremendous. The time we get the result, it is too late. It's already gone. Whatever is now, you will get it in minutes. Everything, and then you can immediately intervene. Pattern recognition, AI analyzes safety data to identify trends and predict risk before they materialize. Okay, that is what we are doing earlier. Now AI will facilitate and it will reduce the time, and the accuracy is there. A strategic focus, free safety professional to focus on proactive measure rather than administrative task. These are hectic tasks. Thousands of informations are coming, analyzing, and all these things people are doing, and it is taking too much time. They unable to concentrate on taking any proactive action. So now generative design and planning optimization. The other benefit, intelligent design. Autodesk's generative design uses AI to create safer, cost-effective building plans that prioritize worker safety from the group up. Many of the designs you have say constructability workshop we are organizing, hectic task. People are sitting for days to finalize the constructability, the design, how to design it, and where, what first we will have to do, second we will have to do. It can reduce those efforts. Okay, scenario simulation. AI simulates multiple scenario to optimize structural integrity and workflow safety, identifying potential hazards before construction begins. See, it is very, 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 very going to save many of the miseries, sufferings. So you have to be aware of this and start working on this. Error reduction, reduce design errors that could lead to hazards on site, preventing costly rework and safety incidents. Many of the things, if people will do something wrong, then again you dismantle it, do it again, then the more exposure to the dangerous conditions. Leading AI platform in construction industry. What are the leading AI platforms? The AI leading platforms are many. For example, EarthCam, remote site monitoring. You can see in many of the Middle East or in the European countries these type of things. AI driven vision, computer vision flags anomalies and unsafe practices automatically across multiple site locations. So this camera will capture, will scanning all the areas, and they are identifying what are the things which is not, people are not doing as per the standard. People are getting, indulging in the unsafe practices which can result in the major accident or incident. So instant alert, after scanning this, the real time alerts and detailed reports improve site oversight without requiring physical presence. People are not there, but still you are getting all the data. How it is? It is very interesting. So, and the all most of the construction sites and multinational company are now going for this. As a HSE professional, you have to get yourself ready and aware of all these things. The second is open space AI, automated plan build comparison, 360-degree imaging, capture comprehensive site documentation automatically. It will scan 360-degree and they will compare with the standard where it is going wrong. For example, even if the construction design and the work practices, everything they will compare. So it is fed into this and they will compare and they will raise the alarm. BIM comparison, AI detect deviation from building information models in real time. Risk reduction, early identification prevents rework and safety hazard. The third one is VI Act, continuous safety compliance monitoring. There are certain standard legal requirement or the client requirement. It is all the standards are fed in this, and it will immediately scan and it will raise the alarm. This is the non-compliance. The client is doing so as any construction company. That also you have to be aware of this. How it is happening. Analyzes video feeds continuously to detect PP non-compliance and unsafe behavior. For example, if anyone is working at height without full body harness, or they are coming down, removing there and keeping it on the on the scaffold, or they are not wearing the helmet, or they are not wearing the face shield or goggles or spectacles, then they will immediately capture and they will raise the alarm. The so and so person is, so you can call them and do the counseling. You send immediate alert to supervisors for corrective action before incident occur. See? Now, another one is a smart cap, fatigue detection wearables, brain stop, brain monitoring, track brain waves to identify worker fatigue levels accurately. See how where it is, where the world is going. So you have, as HSE professional, you have to be aware of all these things. They will immediately detect so and so person is now tired, fatigue figure, and it can result in any of the accident. Early warning alert workers and supervisors when fatigue reaches dangerous level. You are seeing this? You, by human being, it is very difficult. You will have to, because human efforts can recognize, but it is very remote possibility that you can acquire the maybe 80 or 90% also. Maybe 10% you only can detect. But a smart cap can detect 100%. Preventive action enables timely rest breaks and shift adjustment to prevent an accident. By if you have all this data, you can do this. Now, civils AI, another tools, AI workflow builders for compliance, document processing extra critical data from complex regulatory documents automatically. They will capture and they will see the what is the standard, what is the they are complying or not. Compliance verification verifies regulatory compliance against current standard and requirement. Information access makes project information searchable and manageable, reduce human error. Now, benefit and changes of AI in construction HSE. What are the benefits and what are the challenges? Life saving speed, faster hazard detection and response capability, save lives through immediate intervention. Because if anyone is detecting late, if some lifting is going on and they are doing some unsafe act and practices, then the accidents can happen. So immediately it can alert you. And the administrative release, automated reporting reduce administrative burden on safety professionals. Predictive, immediately they will capture and they will prepare the report. So predictive power, analytic, improves training program and risk management strategies. Okay, analytic improves training programs. Whatever informations you are getting, you understand what training the people need to you have to construct and you have to provide, so that you can train the people. Okay, and then you can able to risk management strategies you can decide. Enhanced planning reduces cost costly delays and construction error, because if errors are there, as I have explained you earlier, 3 to 5% of the tender cost. Earlier it was 5%, but here other places it is 5%. In America it is 3%. What are the challenges? Privacy, accuracy, and human oversight. Data privacy concern require transparent policies and strict compliance with privacy law and worker rights. It is like privacy is a problem because every time it is watching. So people will they will say, oh, they are watching all the time. Site specific risk, generic AI generated plans may miss unique site specific hazard requiring local expertise. But if it fed properly, it can do this. But if it missed, then there is some accuracy problem is there. It is not 100%. You need still. That's why I am telling all the time that AI cannot replace the safety professionals, but it can only facilitate, it can work as a partner. But when it is working as a partner, if you able to get it into it, you can expedite everything. Human expertise is essential. AI tools must complement, not replace certified safety professional and their judgment. So, as a HSE professional, you have to get more and more competence. That is why I am telling all the time, you subscribe my channel and watch my videos so that you will get the required competence. Because as I have told many times, many many of the majority of the HSE professionals are just doing job, taking money. That's all. They are not competent. If you are competent, you can replace them, and you can earn more money. So as a HSE professional, if you want to survive in this career, you should have the required competence. So system calibration, false positive and negative in AI detection requires a careful calibration. Definitely, if you have the system or any of the cam, you need to configure it, and it is required expert safety professionals. So to conclude the video, AI is a powerful ally in construction safety, transforming impact. AI tools are making construction sites safer and smarter through intelligent monitoring that you have seen. Human AI partnership success depends on integrating AI capability with expert human judgment. The future vision is autonomous monitoring, smarter wearables, and AI driven culture of safety excellence. Now the world is changing, so you have to get adapt to that those things. Call to action: enhance AI thoroughly to protect workers and build better, safer project. So this is, you can communicate to the company also. Your company will be respected wherever you are working. So thank you for watching this video. So as I am telling all the time, you subscribe my channel and watch my channel, like my channel, and give your comments how you like and what all these topics you want me to make video. Thank you for watching. Thank you.